You thought I'd burn alone. Nah, I became the fire. You left me in the cold, no warning. Now I'm rising up like a dark new morning. Every lie you told, yeah, I kept score. Now I'm knocking loud on your old front door. You said I'd break it, you were wrong. I turned your pain into my song. Every scar turned into flame. Now the whole world knows my name. You lit a spark, but I made it a storm. I lit the match you left behind. Now I'm burning through your lies. Every tear you made me cry turned to fire in my eyes. You thought I'd fade into the night, but I came back twice as bright. I lit the match, now watch it rise. Yeah, ashes falling where you used to stand. Now you reaching out, but I don't take your hand. Small town whispers, let them talk. I'm the storm you couldn't stop. You built me weak, I broke that frame. Now I don't even say your name. Every road I walk alone still feels better than your home. Every step I take now feels like power somehow. Your shadow far behind. I lit the match you left behind. Left your shadow far behind. If you see me in that flame, just remember who I became.